Brazilian waxing doesn't suddenly become painful after 40. It becomes unforgiving when your skin isn't treated differently. Most women think pain is inevitable with age, but it's actually a preparation problem. After 40, our skin barrier thins, recovery slows down, and sensitivity increases, yet most of our waxing routines stay exactly the same. There's one TLC step that quietly changes everything, and it happens before the wax ever touches your skin. This step feels optional. It feels gentle. And that's why most people skip it. Let's break down the TLC method, starting with the night before your appointment. What do most of us do? We exfoliate aggressively or apply strong products, thinking we're preparing the skin. But here's why that backfires after 40. This actually weakens the already fragile skin barrier, increasing both pain and irritation during the wax. The gentle correction is light hydration only. Put away the scrubs. No acids. Just let your skin rest. A simple, unscented moisturizer is your best friend. Remember this, preparation doesn't mean activation, it means protection. We want to calm the skin, not rev it up. The next step is where most pain actually begins. Now, let's talk about the morning of your wax. The common habit is to cleanse the area repeatedly or use drying products, wanting it to be perfectly clean. The problem is, over-cleansing strips away the natural oils that actually cushion your skin from the wax pull. That protective barrier you spent the night nurturing? It's gone. So, the gentle correction is simple: clean, dry skin. Nothing harsh, nothing extra. A quick, gentle wash with a mild, pH-balanced cleanser is enough. That's it. No tuners, no stringens, no powders. Less input equals more resilience for your skin. The final hour before your appointment is where the TLC method truly works its magic. So, you're 1 hour away from your appointment. What's the typical scenario? Rushing, feeling stressed, maybe applying some last-minute lotions or numbing creams you found online. This stress is a huge factor. It tightens your skin and puts your nerve endings on high alert, making every pull feel more intense. The gentle correction is to create a calm environment. Wear loose, comfortable clothing that doesn't rub against the area. Breathe. Don't apply any last-minute products. Your skin is ready. Now your mind needs to be. The body responds to calm far more than it responds to last-minute preparation. This is exactly why the next video matters. It explains the one pre-wax habit that quietly causes most of the pain. So, what is this silent trigger? It's the habit of prepping your skin the same way you did in your 20s. Why does this mistake feel so logical? Because it used to work. Back then, your skin recovered faster and could tolerate a lot more stress, whether from harsh exfoliation or last-minute rushing. But why does it fail after 40? Because your skin's barrier repair cycle has slowed down. What used to be minor irritation now compounds, leading to more pain, redness, and sensitivity that lasts for days. The solution is to shift from prepping harder to supporting gently. This is subtle. This surprises most women. Honestly, no one explains this clearly. It's not about finding a magic product, it's about changing your entire approach to respect your skin's new needs. Over the years, I've noticed clear patterns. What I see repeatedly is that calm skin experiences less pain. Women who come in with the least irritation tend to do less, not more, beforehand. The biggest shift after 40 isn't about the waxing technique itself, it's about the timing of your preparation. The TLC method works because it respects how your skin changes over time. It's not about fighting your skin, it's about working with it. So let's quickly recap. The pain you might be feeling isn't about age, it's a mismatch between your old routine and your skin's current needs. Skin after 40 thrives on recovery, not stimulation. Calm preparation is what protects your sensitivity and makes the entire experience more comfortable. And this simple shift sets you up perfectly for what comes next in your skincare journey. If this helped you, the very next video explains the exact habit that causes unnecessary pain right before your waxing session. It's linked right here, and it connects directly to what you just learned today about the TLC method. Click on it, and I'll see you there.